Kwasiabi Alex Bravo said, won't make a mention in name, but God will punish you in family for like 600 years. Poverty in Kwan.
Yo, I'm halfway. Come you to fast some up, to fast some back. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Alam Trends TV. It's your boy Alam here, and I'm back again with another juice. Yo, so rockstar Kwame Eugene came on Instagram Live today to vent his anger and lament on how Ghanaians, his fellow artists, are not supporting each other. According to him, there is peace in Ghana, but the thing called support and love is not existing between the artists in this country. So he vent his anger on Instagram today, stating categorically that artists don't support artists, like big artists don't support the smaller ones. They don't share their works. In case he release one, someone is coming up with an album or even a single, you won't see his fellow artists posting the album on their timeline to their followers. Sometimes they do have more followers. Some have over 100,000, 1 million, 2 million, but they don't share the works of these upcoming artists to get some exposure from their followers. So this Kwame Eugene lamented on today on the Instagram Live, and after that he became the talk of the town and even trending number 1 on Twitter Ghana. Charlie.
Artists in this country, at the talk all the time, say we get peace. We get peace. We'll be very peaceful because nobody won't touch anybody. Nobody won't hurt anybody. Or me pay one step, me person then hey obey prime me koka on talk. But deep down, love no day, unity no day. Because if anangasa only know what industry back home. You go do the song, you go do the video, you go do the album. Cover ne keke kobe posti kwa everything mano. Because he managed get maybe 2 point and here he followers. With 1 point and here he followers. That 1 point and here he followers no. So be posti wonyo.
So after this, a lot of people were saying, going back and forth, they say, hey, is it Kwame Eugene that is saying all this? Whoa. So like, as the fans were going back and forth, a fellow musician called Eddie K, a one-time hitmaker, do the dance, yeah, that guy, also recorded a video and posted on his Instagram saying that, wow, he is shocked at what Kwame Eugene is saying because Kwame Eugene does the same thing he was lamenting or complaining about. He doesn't support anybody. He doesn't even give face, like relate well with his fellow artists. So why would he come online saying all this? Let's listen to Eddie K.
Hey, this Ghana with the only God can save us all. So I did my best. So I did my best up away, and I did go through my Instagram post and stuff. So I did go through as easy Achibala go post Kwame Eugene live video BC they talk something. I did watch the video, my heart they do me something. Like my heart they do me something. What he they talk they be true, but you they do one. You they do one. You know, go nice say you can't tap somewhere they make other people look like they you can't jail body then. Like I know plenty people wreck this now at this guy, but as a Omushubi with me, I never do this thing before. Honestly, me, I never feel that I go get any problem with any artist in Ghana because I feel like this music thing we do, we just they do I'm sick of. Small we go eat, you get something small we go eat, like for the family then 1 and 2 things. It's just nice if your artist go, your fellow artists go drop something, you go share them, you go post them. It'd be very nice. What did they talk be true, but you songs save you did top, you know the post. Can't hear the can't talk, you know go share, go post for. I'm mad. Songs you did top, albums you did top safe, you know the post. If right now you change, they are cool, we thank God. But making all kind hear them preach gospel where you know the practice. Because if you do that, you're one big hypocrite. You're being a hypocrite. Because you know they do, but you talk say people need it. If somebody else can talk, they are cool. But as you know they do, my guy, making us can't stand here say it be nice. Nobody they talk say it be nice. If we all come together say, oh Charlie, we the post songs, they are cool. But we be say they be there you do the dance remix. Like when posting po, more people have known us how to do the dance remix. When posting one po for your stories, have no post down, they can't talk story. Imagine moku think. I drop on a new song. If you change, I post them. Me then you, then Dope Nation, then Flokin. If you change, I post them. They make everybody know. See, say you change.
Yo guys, so after this, the fans were also lambasting Kwame Eugene that he is a very big time hypocrite because Saturday even featured him on Black Love album and he never posted that on his Instagram. Truth be told, I haven't seen Kwame Eugene sharing any other artist's work on his timeline before. Recently he shared a work from Adina. Adina is kind of family to them. Yeah, he's kind of family to that Links Entertainment label. So if he shares the work, he was just sharing the work of a sister. So Charlie, guys said Kwame Eugene should come again, guys. So this is a little that I have for you today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to LM Trends TV.
So be post you. So say you too, in followers go see say, oh, maybe I Kwame releasing your for. Oh, maybe your sister Fear releasing your for. Family releasing your for. Kwesiate releasing your for. Mami, so say in followers go see. No, he don't go post. Now the end is so a good cry no go post to no. Not the actual story. Now say the feed hot here. And you don't know better you. So they follower go see. You go put for in story. In story. So say, oh, if by chance somebody find a way glance through in story, then you go see him. If you post your story now, then go tag you the artist. Say, oh, I post for my story. Hey, boss. You post for your story. So that is what they go around. If they around, almost everybody get that thing. So you post for his story. Also there back. I mean you don't post my own for your own page. Then you go post your own for story. So Ghana artists, everybody they post in friend for his story. That be how the thing go there.